ready to move your crypto treasure into Kraken. Let's get you funded in just a few simple steps. Welcome. First, log into your Kraken account once you're in. Navigate to the funding section. You can usually find this from the main dashboard or a side menu. Now, assuming you want to deposit crypto, click on the Deposit tab within the funding section. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Simply type the name of the coin into the search bar or scroll through the list for this tutorial. Let's imagine we're depositing Bitcoin. Crucially, you must select the correct network for your deposit. Different cryptocurrencies can operate on multiple networks. Kraken will clearly display the available networks. Double-check this with the network you're sending from to avoid losing your funds. Once you've selected your coin and its network, Kraken will generate your unique deposit address. Think of this as your personal crypto mailbox. On Kraken, copy this address carefully. Now, head over to your external wallet or the exchange where your crypto is currently held. Initiate a withdrawal or send transaction, and paste the Kraken deposit address you just copied into the recipient field. Confirm the amount you're sending, and once again, verify that the cryptocurrency and network match exactly what you chose on Kraken. This is the most critical part to get right. After you initiate the transaction on your external platform, it will take some time for the blockchain to confirm it. The number of confirmations required varies by asset and network, and Kraken will display this information. You can usually track the deposit status within your Kraken funding history. And that's it. Once the required confirmations are met, your cryptocurrency will appear in your Kraken account, ready for trading or holding. Easy, right? If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides.